it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today we're unboxing Drop Hat. This is a monthly mystery hat and accessory subscription box. Alright, so I wrote everything down so I wouldn't forget, because they go through a whole bunch of stuff. You're probably wondering why I brought this one along. Mr. Not a Tree, or Cruz, you can call him Cruz. They're going to ask you your age, your favorite colors, your favorite sports team, teams that you would never wear, teams that you would absolutely love to wear, your shirt size, and then you're going to get a box based upon that. What you get in the box is based on the subscription you choose. There's the Rookie, which is $29.95. That includes at least one hat and 1 to 2 accessories. There's the All-Star for $54.95. That's 2 hats and 2 to 3 accessories. And the Legend, what this is $74.95. 3 hats and 3 to 4 accessories. I do have a coupon code for you guys for 10% off your first box. It's Not a Tree 10, all caps with a 10 at the end. I'll put that down below. I'll link to them below. I'll also link to my full review below. I brought this guy along because this is sports-based, and I'm not a, and I have the cat too. She's here to join us. So I did peek. I couldn't help myself. I know it's in here. So you open it up like this, especially if it's not for me, right? Like, you can know what ahead. I know ahead. All right, so I'm gonna let you do the honors, I guess.
Okay, yeah, sure.
All right, do the hats first.
All right, first, oh, pretty cool. You got a nice little Deadpool hat.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
I didn't
pretty
know
nice.
That
it's
was.
very popular these days. It's very cool. Nice. And real flat brimmed hat, which is very much the style these days. Very cool.
It's a snapback as well.
Yeah,
worth
adjustable
noting.
size. Yeah, there you go.
All right, so next.
Next, DC Shoe Company. Ashley's gonna steal this from me.
I already said it.
Yeah, she's like, this one's mine.
She's
a huge fan of
I like
companies.
I like the patch and all that.
Yeah. Wow, very cool.
All right, next.
Oh, nice. And look at this. All right, so this is an LA Kings hat, and things that are really cool about this, I can talk about the Kings a lot because they're my favorite team. So first of all, it's their old early 90s logo from the Gretzky era, which is actually really cool. It's actually my favorite. It's also called the Chevy logo because it looks kind of like the Chevy logo used to look. Very cool, silver and black, classic colors. Very nice hat. The official NHL seal underneath. Very cool. So yeah, this is awesome. I will definitely. This will be, how many Kings hats do I have now? 6, 7?
Well, you have one on. This is like the lucky. He has one very similar to this. However, the brim is black, right? And then it's not.
It's not. No, I don't. This is the only one I have.
It doesn't have white stitching.
But this is the only one I have with the old school logo.
Oh, okay. So it's got the old school logo.
This is the only. Yeah, it's the only one I have with the old school
So
logo.
when they asked me about the teams, I'm sorry I cut you off.
Go ahead.
Sorry.
No.
Somebody said that in one of my other videos. They're like, "Can you just let the man talk?" They asked very specifically teams, and I was like, "This guy likes Kings. Kings only. No Ducks."
I hate the Ducks.
With no Ducks.
Who else do I hate?
No Sharks.
No Sharks.
No Las Vegas.
Yeah.
No Las Vegas. We can't have that. So this is cool, right?
No, I will wear that. Absolutely. I'll actually wear that. And you know who? I bet you my brother-in-law would really like this.
Yeah. So, wait, you're which brother? My brother? Or
yes.
Stephanie's. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Your brother.
My brother. Okay. All right, so you can get the other stuff
out. Socks. Cool. Nice.
Those are Reeboks.
Solid pair of socks.
Is it a belt?
Oh yeah, it's a belt for sure.
Oh, cool.
Oh, it's nice. And it's very classic.
What is this called when they have this? I have one like this.
I don't know. It's kind of like a seat, like an airplane seat buckle.
Yeah, it has a name. Because I had one. I have one. It's an Alien Workshop. It's from when I was in like high school.
Oh, this is stylish.
And it sort of matches, I guess, your Deadpool, right?
A little bit,
like,
yeah. You could wear this out to the bar, and some girls would be like,
giving you smooches.
Exactly. Like, oh, I want to.
You wouldn't.
No, not me. Somebody else. This is a back to one of your.
Ooh, I could actually use this.
Yeah, and then some wrist warmers.
But this is $59.50. Is this like it's in the same company
as New Era? Yeah.
Yeah, I got you. But it's cool. So what are these called? An eye ring.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then our final item
I think they're wrist warmers.
Wrist warmers, and they're from Fila. So that is everything I got in my drop hat, or his drop hat, because this is your box, for real.
This is mine.
This is awesome. So I'm going to do the price breakdown in my blog just to show you guys, but they did leave the prices on. So like this hat alone is $37.99. So you do the math. $37.99 times 3.
Well, this one's $30. They all have different prices.
Oh,
These silver at 67 plus 42. 41. Yeah, I mean you're at $100 just in hats.
Just there. So the value is definitely there if you wear hats, if you like to collect hats and like to look good. this is a great way to freshen up each month. He likes it. And they did go along with what I was clear. Oh, wait, hold on.
Oh, I missed something.
Oh, it tells you. It's like a little, ooh, it's inscribed. They do listen to what you say, which is very important in a box like this. So.
Very cool.
Cool.
I like it.
Thanks, guys. See you later. You say bye? Bye.